If you're looking for a stretch stitch and don't own a serger or an overlock machine, you're going to look for stitch number 14 on the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. So it's pictured up here as almost like a little lightning bolt, and it's a little tiny stitch. It's going to kind of come down, bite, 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 just a little tiny zigzag each time. It's going to appear as a straight stitch when you open up your seam, but what it'll have is the give you're working with. Put on foot 1A and make sure your IDT is engaged. If this information is not showing, touch the I below the screen to have it pop up. And then just go ahead and sew the stitch. Most of the time, you'll have successful stitching just with the IDT. But if you ever have additional waviness that is not corrected, you do have the dial on the side of the machine that is for pressure. When I'm working on knit fabric, I can reduce the pressure of the foot to 1, and then as I continue to sew, the foot isn't pushing down as tight and I'll almost glide over the stretchy fabric. Now you did see that that took a little bit for time to sew, but if you if you want it a little bit faster, purchase a serger machine. Trust me, it comes out so much better. But you can see where this almost has a little, not as wavy as when we started. So when I reduced the pressure for the stretch stitch, it actually did the job. And then when you go to open it, it works perfect, plus you have the stretch and give to the seam that doesn't pop. If you ever just use a straight stitch on a knit seam, when you stretch it, all those stitches break, which is what you're eliminating when you use the correct stitch.